Unlock the power of Git and GitHub to streamline coding projects and seamless collaboration. Welcome everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about what is Git and GitHub. So without wasting any time further, let's proceed with the video. Now Git and GitHub are essential tools for developers and teams. So generally whenever the development takes place, I mean to say software development takes place in any kind of company, it is done by a whole team of developers and not just by a single developer. And there collaboration is essential, and Git and GitHub acts as a very essential tool at those places. It actually simplifies version control with different versions of the code and enables seamless collaboration among the team members. It empowers your project with organization and traceability. So throughout your project development, it becomes very easy to trace what type of changes being done by which developer. Git is one of the distributed version control system, and it was created by Linus Torvalds. Yes, the same guy who is responsible for the Linux operating system. Now it tracks changes in code over time and supports collaboration. So whatsoever changes being done by different developers in the team, it helps you to track that, and it also helps to collaborate among the team members. So the key features of Git is it is used for branching and merging. Now branching and merging are two of the terms that we basically use in version control system. If you don't know about that, don't worry, soon you will realize what is branching and what is merging. It is very lightweight and very fast, and it is basically used for local operation, so no internet is required if you are using Git for core tasks. Definitely whenever you are collaborating with the team, that time internet is required, but for the core basic tasks, internet is not required. So let's compare Git and GitHub. If I talk about the type, so Git is a version control system, whereas GitHub is Git hosting and collaboration platform. So Git is a software which is used to control different versions of the code, whereas GitHub is a platform where you host the Git. Okay, so GitHub is a platform where Git is hosted, where version control system is hosted. And just like GitHub, there are different other platforms as well. This is not only the place where Git is hosted, it is also the place where collaboration takes. The usage of Git is completely local operation, whereas GitHub is an online repository management. So it's actually a database of code. So this repository is nothing but a database of the code, and it is available online. If I talk about the features, Git is used for branching, merging and commits, whereas GitHub is used to raise issues and solve them, create pull requests, and CI and CD integration, which is known as continuous integration and continuous deployment, which is one of the essential tasks done by the developer. Now, why do you need Git? Now, Git is used to track and manage changes in the code. It helps to work on multiple features simultaneously using branches. So, with the help of Git, we can not only track and manage changes in our code. Suppose if we don't want the changes, we can revert it back. If we want the changes, we can continue further with it. And with the help of it, you can actually create different branches of the same code. So it helps you to work on different features at the same time. Not only that, it also helps to collaborate with the team members efficiently. And as I said, it helps to revert to previous version whenever it is required. Now, why do you need GitHub? Now, as I said, GitHub is actually an online repository, right? So GitHub is used to easily share code with the teams and the whole world. You can make any of the code public, and anyone across the globe can access your particular code if it is publicly available and if that persons know about the link or the URL of your repository. You can review and discuss changes through pull requests. So you can create pull requests and you can review the changes over there. You can discuss on them, and whichsoever changes you like or whichsoever changes you don't like, accordingly you can decide whether to keep that changes as part of the code or not. Not only that, it also helps you to automate workflows. So there are GitHub actions. So there are plenty of actions available on GitHub, and by using them, you can automate your workflows. And it also helps you to host static websites using GitHub pages. So what are some common use cases of it? You can use Git and GitHub for your personal project so that you can track progress and organize your code. Not only that, you can use it for team collaboration where you can work on shared repositories with branching workflow, and it can be used for open source contribution where you can fork, clone and contribute to any project. The CI/CD pipeline, that is continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline, is used for automate testing and deployment with GitHub Actions. So you can automate the testing part of your code and even the deployment part of your code with the help of GitHub, so that as soon as you will deploy your code to the GitHub, it will test it automatically, it will check whether this will suit to the production environment or not, and it will deploy that code to the production environment or to any other environment where you want. Now that marks the end of this specific session. See you soon in the next session. Till then, thank you and take care.